Thursday, the Blueprint team. Focus. Planning together creates smoother teamwork. The fourth grade class had a challenge. Design a mini golf hole on a big poster board. Team Bravo immediately began gluing random pieces. Ramp here, windmill there, a plastic dinosaur for no reason at all. Surprise, it looked terrible. Across the room, Team Echo sat in a quiet circle, sketching a blueprint. They talked through the path the ball would take, where obstacles should go, and how to keep everything stable. Team Bravo groaned. "We messed up." Their teacher walked over. "What could you do differently?" "Plan first," they admitted. They restarted, drew a simple blueprint, assigned roles, and finally built a fun, working mini golf hole. At the showcase, their project received cheers. "It's almost like planning works," someone joked. "Almost?" laughed their teacher. Hope, message of the day. When people share a vision, hope becomes teamwork's strongest glue. Moral of the story. Teams succeed when everyone knows the plan before the work begins. Reflection questions. 1. What mistake did Team Bravo make at first? 2. How did their project improve once they made a blueprint? 3. Why is planning important in group work? 4. When working with others, how can you help create a shared vision? Illustration space. Draw your own blueprint for a dream, classroom, playground, or community.